Now we're going to talk about Delta Math subject parabolas, intercept form coefficients. This question asks which equation best matches the graph shown below. Then it gives you four options, all are in factored form with an a value. The first thing that I would do is look at the a value to see which one matches my concavity. Is it up like a cup or down like a frown, concave up or concave down? Because this graph is shaped up like a cup or concave up, we know that it will have a positive a value. So that means that we can cross out y equals negative 0.5, x plus 3 and x plus 6, and y equals negative 0.5, x minus 3 and x minus 6. The second thing I want to look at, because I'm in intercept form, is what the intercepts are. So we can see that the graph crosses at x equals negative 6 and x equals negative 3. Looking at the two equations left, we have 0.5 times x plus 3 times x plus 6, this one right here, or we have 0.5 times x minus 3 and x minus 6 as our two factors. So we need to decide which one of these will yield the two intercepts that we're looking for. Now if we remember, in order to find our intercepts, we would set each factor equal to 0 and solve. Starting with the one on the left, if we have 0.5 x plus 3 times x plus 6, and that's all equal to y, we would draw our t, and we would solve. So we have 0 is equal to x plus 3, and x plus 6 is equal to 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. We get negative 3 is equal to x, and over here, subtracting 6 from both sides, we get x is equal to negative 6. And these are, in fact, the two intercepts that we want because they intersect here and here. So this is our answer. We also know that the values inside the parentheses will always have the opposite sign as our intercepts. So we can find which equation we're looking for by looking at the a value and the intercepts in intercept form.